Hello everybody, welcome to our NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the multiple choice question from the chapter Oscillations. What is the question, sir? A sound wave whose frequency is 5000 Hz travels in air and then hits the water surface. The ratio of its wavelengths in water and in air is how much? We are given four options: 4.30, 0.23, 5.30, 1.23. These are all the four options. How to solve this problem, sir? So V, it is the velocity of sound, is given by the formula V is equal to F lambda. F is the frequency and lambda is the wavelength. Of which frequency is the character of the sound waves which is independent of the medium. If the sound travels in any medium, its frequency will not change. In this case, it is always be 5000 Hz. But at the same time, wavelength will change. The wavelength depends on the medium in which the sound will travel. So, similarly, the velocity will, as the lambda changes, wave frequency F remains constant. When lambda changes, velocity will also change. Velocity of sound also depends on its medium in which it travels. So V water divided by V air. What is V water? Velocity of sound in water. What is V air? Velocity of sound in air. So velocity of sound in water is 1493, 1493 meter second power minus 1. V air, velocity of sound in air is equal to 343 meter per second. So these are all the values that has been given in your book, and you must remember all these things. Otherwise, it is hard to solve this problem. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now lambda. So V water by V air is equal to F into lambda water divided by F into lambda air. F and F will get cancelled. So lambda water divided by lambda air is equal to V water by V air. What is V water? 1493. What is V air? 343. But the same ratio is applicable for the ratio of wavelength also. F V water by V air is equal to lambda water by lambda air. Okay, that's it. So 1493 divided by 343 will give you 4.3. Is it right, sir? Definitely. You just let it be 350 and let it be 1500. Okay. Just you would so 4 3 12 1200 4 into 50 200 அப்ப 1400 கிட்ட வரும். அதோட கொஞ்சம் கூடுதல் எவ்வளவு 1493 1500 ரொம்ப பக்கத்துல. So you must be well versed with your numerical ability so that you can check the answer. 4 into 400 is equal to 1400. So 343 into 4.3 is equal to 1483. Okay, that's all. So option A 4.3 is the right answer. So we'll see one more question from the chapter Oscillations in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.